Hey, that might be a new thing for my channel. Yeah. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Foodie Family. Y'all true to this, y'all ain't new to this. So welcome back. Y'all, it's been a minute since I've been out in these streets, in these restaurants, trying these cocktails and dishes. Cause y'all know I was unbigging my back and what have you, meal prepping. We still on that, cause we gonna pop out on vacation real soon. But before that, I had to come back out and try some new recipes. And today, y'all, I got someone with me. Y'all seen my mini-me with me. Today, my husband is with me. Nick is with me. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get him on camera, but when you see me talking to somebody, you know it's Nick. So y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications so you know when I upload a new video, and make sure and comment and like and all those good things too. All right, let's go eat. It's hot out here and I'm hungry. Okay, so Foodie Family, I selected the lemon drop because they say it's the world's coldest martini, and it's like what, 100 degrees outside. So we're gonna see. This feels so weird doing this with Nick here. It does. So if I'm acting a little bit strange before I get my cocktail to loosen me up, you know why. Because we got company. The kind of company that hangs out in the background. Appetizers to me don't really go with the food that they serve. Like popcorn chicken, depending on how good their shrimp dynamite is, I might have to make that. I wonder why I never tried to make shrimp dynamite as much as I like it. I know what I want for my entree. Nope. I came here to try something specific that I want to remake. Can you guess what it might be? See how well you know me. Yep, I want to remake it on At Home Chef Jolie.
Like lobster rolls.
Yeah, pick one. So, you know me. I don't know if they can hear you, but he picked chicken parm or the lobster roll. You must not have been watching my episodes because I've already made the chicken parm. I made that from North Italia. So yes, I'm here to try. Oh, it says limited availability. Now, if it's not available, we're gonna have a problem. Nick popped out today, y'all. Okay, starting to feel more settled. Okay, y'all, here's what we got. Now, it's a lemon drop, but the reason why I decided to pick this, because I think I've made a lemon drop on the show before, but this one has limoncello foam. Lemon vodka, fresh lemon juice, and limoncello foam. It's supposed to be really cold and not very sweet. All right, here we go. Very lemony, which it should be because it's a lemon drop, but I don't think I've ever had a lemon drop that's this lemony. It's cold and tart. Once you get past the foam, kind of sweet for me. It's cold though. Nick got the spicy Mexican tequila, jalapeno, cucumber, fresh lime. That sounds good. Can I try it? You said don't put my lips on this.
It's spicy.
Ooh, and that was just a little bit. This tastes very earthy.
It's like spa water meets margarita.
There you go. I think if you mix the two together, because yours is very earthy, no sweetness at all.
It's no agave or anything. It's just
Wow. You like it?
tastes like spa water.
It's a no for me. It'll probably make this taste better.
Does it?
Let's see. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna be remaking this one. Yeah. Okay, we got an appetizer. Shrimp dynamite. Beautiful presentation. All right, let's try it. Go ahead. Hey, that might be a new thing for my channel. Yeah.
Compliments and
All right, let's try it. It's hot.
It's like, what's the other thing?
You know what's different about this? These, normally shrimp dynamite kind of has a mayo-y base. You know what I'm talking about? Like they do Thai chili and mayo, and it's more creamy. This is more like just like a sweet and sour sauce. Can you see that? It doesn't have that mayo. I'm missing that flavor. That creaminess. But it's good, it's not bad. It's hot, and I like that. I like my food hot. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like sweet and sour chicken. Yeah, but it's that sour that's not giving me what I'm used to for shrimp dynamite. But meanwhile, my martini is tasting better. What, lemon drops? You put that on YouTube. It's your friend Daniel. You know what? I should have vlogged all of our shenanigans this week. The mini-me has been gone for a whole week, y'all, to Atlanta. So we've been outside on school nights. We've been outside on non-school nights. We was outside last night, and here we are.
We started out the week with live music. Had live music Friday last night.
It's like we've been on a whole staycation without going to a hotel. The food has arrived. So, my mouth is watering. Let me show y'all what it looks like. All right, foodie family, here it is. This is what I came here for. Let's see, can I pick this up? You see it? Look at it. Lobster roll. So let's try it. Hey. Yes. Thank you so much. Y'all, normally I make y'all guess what I'm gonna make because I'm trying multiple dishes, but because we're in the process of getting summertime fine, I came in here knowing exactly what I was gonna get, and that's what I got. This lobster roll, look at it. Can you see it? Those chives on there. I'm gonna have fun making this one. And I can't wait till you all see how I do it. Because I'm gonna share it with you. So make sure you tune in to At Home with Chef Jolie on Thursdays. Because I'm gonna break it down step by step. I'm gonna have all the ingredients and the measurements and all that good stuff. Yeah, this is the one. This is what we doing. This is it, y'all. All right, y'all. We did it. We came. We saw. We ate. And check me back at the house so we can cook something together, okay? All right. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. Y'all know what to do.